Hi friends, in this video we're gonna do some Christmas calligraphy in real time. You can find all the worksheets for these phrases inside the Creative Lettering Crew in my Patreon membership. So if you haven't downloaded these worksheets yet, make sure you go ahead and grab them. Also grab some coffee, tea, or your beverage of choice, and let's go ahead and get started. The first phrase that we're going to do in calligraphy is warm wishes, and as you can see here I am going very slow. Always remember to try to pause in between each stroke because this is going to help you maintain the consistency in your strokes, and also it's going to help you do like a quick reset so you can manage your brush pen better and your brush strokes are consistent. The next phrase that we're doing is peace on earth. I also wanted to mention that I am using the Pentel Fude brush pens. I really like these brush pens because they are flexible, but they're not super flexible that it will make it difficult for beginners to use. These are one of my favorite pens, and the colors are very vibrant, and I know that blue might not be considered like a Christmas color, but I really love how this phrase looks in this color. The next Christmas calligraphy, or I would say holiday phrase that we are doing, is comfort and joy. Right, our for Christmas calligraphy phrase is be merry. And as I always said, and as you can see here in the video, I am going very slow. The slower the better when it comes to calligraphy, and you will find that this is going to help you just relax because you are focusing on each stroke. It's going to help you concentrate, and it's also going to help you relax. Just tune out everything that's going on around you. That's why I really love calligraphy, so you can relax while you're being creative and learning a new skill. Last but not least, I wanted to include this Merry Christmas, and I wanted to show you a different way that you can do calligraphy, and that is with glitter gel pens. I'm using here the Link glitter gel pens. I really love how vibrant and juicy these gel pens are, and also these are very inexpensive. I will add the link to them down below. And you can grab this worksheet for free in my blog. I will add the link to that as well. This worksheet is for fall calligraphy, which we are imitating the look of calligraphy. In case you're not familiar with what fall calligraphy is, we're starting with this monoline lettering, which as you can see, it is very different from cursive lettering because we're getting ready to do calligraphy. And as you can see, I am lifting my pen on every stroke that I make. The second step for fall calligraphy, as you can see here in the video, is to add an outline. And in here, I'm combining step 2 and 3 because I'm adding the outline, and I decided to go ahead and fill in the outlines that I am making with the same pen. You can get creative in the way that you do for calligraphy. You can use, for example, like a black pen or a black monoline and then fill in the outlines with a different color. That's going to give it like a really fun look to your lettering. And then this one, I just decided to go ahead and keep doing it with this glitter gel pen, which you can see how glittery it is. It is very shiny, and I really love these pens for lettering, also for coloring, doodling, all the things. These pens are great for that. Now, as a quick disclaimer, I'm doing this part twice the speed, only because I already did the first part in real time and I wanted to save us some time here in this video. So if you think, it looks a little fast, it's because it is. As always, just take your time. Make sure you leave any comments or any questions, any questions in the comments, and let me know what other phrases you would like to see for the upcoming worksheets and for different video tutorials.